everyone, I'm Stephanie Luma, and now I will teach you and tutor you on how to solve the vertical asymptotes of a rational function. Now, we'll settle ourselves and mind to listen to get easily understand. What comes up to our mind when we say vertical asymptote? So, it is a simply set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. An asymptote is a line that graph of a function approach but never touches. The curves approach this asymptote but never cross them to find. So, to find the vertical asymptote, you are trying to find the value of x that produce 0 in denominator but not in numerator. If 0 over 0 occurs, that means you have a hole in the graph. A vertical asymptote is a place in the graph of infinite discontinuity where the graph spikes of the positive negative infinity to find the vertical asymptote. Set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. Check that the value also not given is 0 in numerator. If values work, you have found the vertical asymptote. So, here are my several examples.
These are my example. To find the vertical asymptote of a rational function. So, our given is f of x equals 1 over x minus 2. So now we find the x to find 0. So our 0 here is in the denominator. So we put 0. And we should not put 0 in numerator because if we put 0 over 0 occurs, that means you have a hole in the graph. A vertical asymptote is in the graph is infinite discontinuity, the negative and the positive infinity. To find the vertical asymptote, set the denominator equal to 0. And we can check the value also not given 0 in numerator. So our x is equal to 2. So now we I got x equals 2. Here are the line. So that is example of the graph of a vertical asymptote. Letter B example. F of x equals 1 x minus 4. So we find x is equal to 0. So we should x minus 4 to equal the denominator 0. And the answer is x equals 4. So that is the vertical asymptote. To find the value of x, f of x equals 1 over x plus 22. Like example number letter B, we should find the value of x to equal 0. So we should get the denominator equal to 0. X plus 22 equals 0. So our x is 22. That would be the vertical asymptote to find the x value. Through the example, f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 12. So we should get 0 for denominator to get the value of x. X plus 12 is equal to 0. And the value of our x is equal 22. The last example. letter E. F of x is equal to over x squared minus 25. So we should get 0 in denominator again. X squared minus 25 is equal to 0. X squared equals 25. That is our, this is equal x squared equals 25 because we get x equals positive and negative, and then we should square root 25. It is equal to 5. So our x is equal to negative 5. That is the final. Find the vertical asymptote of a rational function.
That would be all my examples. So the things we need to remember: the vertical asymptotes occur those value x that produce 0 in the graph. So we should always remember this. I hope you enjoy and understand everything about my topic. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.